Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best e-commerce platform supported by 8Fig. When I was first looking for capital to scale my e-commerce business, well, the first things I had to check was which platforms my chosen funding partner actually supported. If they couldn't easily access my sales data, the funding process would be a nightmare. I learned quickly that 8Fig, which offers tailored continuous funding, focuses on the major players in the e-commerce space. And for good reason. They provide the necessary data integration and scale. Based on my experience and what 8Fig looks for, the three best platforms you need to focus on are Shopify, Amazon, and BigCommerce. 1. Shopify, the direct-to-consumer powerhouse. Why it works. Shopify is practically the backbone of the DTC direct-to-consumer world. It's incredibly user-friendly and, more importantly for funding, it centralizes all your sales, inventory, and customer data. My experience integrating my Shopify store with 8Fig was the most seamless part of the application process. Because the platform provides such clear, consistent data on revenue and cash flow, 8Fig's AI tools could quickly analyze my business's health and future needs. If you are a standalone brand, Shopify is your best starting point. 2. Amazon, the marketplace giant. Why it works. If you sell on Amazon, you're accessing the largest online retail market in the world. 8Fig specifically works with Amazon sellers because of the sheer volume and validated sales data from the marketplace. My experience, I initially had a hybrid model. Some sales on my own site, some on Amazon FBA. 8Fig's ability to see into the complexity of my Amazon sales cycles and inventory logistics was critical. They treat Amazon as a robust sales channel, making funding for your FBA or FBM inventory straightforward. 3. BigCommerce, the scalability choice. Why it works. BigCommerce is often the choice for larger or faster-growing businesses that need deep customization and advanced built-in features for things like B2B sales or complex catalog management. My experience, while I was on Shopify, I know several colleagues who use BigCommerce. Its strength is its native tools and openness, which provide a high level of data transparency and control. This makes it a solid, reliable platform that meets 8Fig's requirements for assessing high-growth potential. The key takeaway. The best platform isn't just about building a store. It's about making your financial data transparent and accessible for partners like 8Fig. All three of these platforms, Shopify, Amazon, and BigCommerce, excel at providing consistent, verifiable sales and operational data that modern, data-driven funding solutions require to accurately assess your business and create a tailored growth plan. Choosing one of these means you're already positioning your business for easier access to scale-up capital. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.